What is up? It's your girl Medusa and we're back with another video. If you haven't seen me on the screen before, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit that post notification button so you get notified when I post. By the title, you should know that we are servicing my vending machine today, so that would include restocking, triple checking to make sure everything worked properly, and making sure all selections vend properly. Just a little disclaimer, this first column is tricky. That's why the column said coming soon, because I need something in the selection, but I don't want anyone pushing it and losing their money. But first, we're going to get some coins out and test out a few selections to see which ones we'll be working on and which are just fine. I never have problems with Gatorade and a few other selections, but it's something different each day, so we'll see which ones are acting right for me today.
Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you. Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you. Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you.
So to be safe and not blow any circuits or electrocute myself, before I touch any of these timer cans, I have to unplug the machine. The Coca-Cola was giving me a few problems like free vending, dropping multiple drinks, or none at all. I tried a method here, but I ended up fixing it off camera. Most problems are usually fixed by taking all of the drinks out of the column and putting them back in. And that's the end of this video. Like I always say, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I'll make sure to get back to you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I feel like most of you aren't subscribed anyway. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You, 'cause I only want